What are you doing, George?
What are you doing?
I'm not wearing the same outfit all the way till next week.
Well, you just have to wear it today.
I'm wearing it now. But to them, they're going to think I wore it all week.
You can take it off if you want.
I will, for next week. This is the same car we teased on last week's video, George.
Daniel's a tease.
Last week?
Last week's video, yeah. Remember last week when I come in, was teasing it with you? Yeah. It's the same car. That's slippery there. G'day, welcome back to this week's video. Today we have the purple GTR and we have Juddy. Juddy, tell us what you're up to.
Same thing I was last week, Daniel.
Well, you didn't tell
I'm
me what
still
you're
here.
doing. You didn't tell me what you're doing
We're
last week,
prepping.
because otherwise I just would have used that footage. But apparently
Prepping the
not.
undercarriage.
Prepping the undercarriage.
The undercarriage.
Of what?
Of a purple GTR.
Oh, so it is the same one.
Hey.
Where's it from?
Japan. We should finish shooting this in. We can make this an Airbnb. Like if you stayed here all week.
Let's do it this RV and we'll have a beer in here.
Boy,
I've got beers coming. Yeah.
We'll get our little cardboard box out there, cut a door in it. That can be our entry. That can be our beer garden. Yeah. What the f would I want that? That's a snap.
It already has.
I think I'm snapping off of my Where are you going to line up the dinos? The Raptors?
On it.
True.
Yeah.
How many you got?
They're like IKEA flat packs.
True, and just pack them, make them, build them.
Pack them on.
Cool. That's real cool. Heard it here first, folks. G'day, fellas. What products are you using today? Is this for the GTR? Interesting. A cat 3. Category 3.
What's that?
Juddy, hey mate, can you just put your hands on your hips and stand like that for me? Little turn, a little to the left. No, look, exactly. Is that not Juddy? You said
Sam is being very annoying. He's so naughty. He hasn't done any work this morning. He's done nothing. Nothing.
I wanted a little wiring cart because Stewie.
That is a cart and it's got wires on
my
it.
cart is full, and he said we could get a toolbox, and he won't get it.
Stop it.
That's industrial.
Be a satisfying noise.
Mm.
Ow.
Was that it?
Not that noise. Oh, I kind of f***ed it. There we go.
Ooh.
This is a great example of what not to do.
The baby scoop rather than a gasket.
Yeah. And a gasket, like an old gasket, is like acceptable to get you out of trouble. But like, don't do it on a twin turbo RB26. It's a nightmare to get it off. You know, the leather head looks really good. I also have issues with the crossover pipe hitting between the two turbos. It normally goes in here, and it was hitting on here when I test fit it. And I'd say it was hitting on there because this doesn't have a gasket on it, so it's sitting like two mil closer. Yeah. So that might solve our problem there. Scooby-Doo-bop-bop-ba-doo-bop-boo. Nice. Very clean. 8-year-old duct tape. Very clean engine. Got a head gasket. I'll see what the belt looks like. The timing belt looks new. I'll just double check the timing and leave it. I think not using a 10mm, but here we are. Sometimes you just gotta use a screwdriver, you know. The right tool is the closest tool to you that'll work. Alright? You can take that to the bang. Oh, the spaces. Why did they put spaces in there?
To make up for not using a gasket.
To make up for not using it. So 0 being never, and 10 being at least once every 12 months, how often do you watch Optimus Prime best speeches on YouTube compilations?
It would have to be a 0.
0? I would have to be a 10.
Well, how's it go? Yeah, give me a little
Just like
rendition.
I'm not giving you. I wouldn't want to. I can get some up if you want.
Yeah.
I wouldn't want to bring shame to the. Oh, I've got a new belt. Optimus, look at this. I look Optimus Prime ending speeches.
Its reward. A new world to call home.
Yuck. Dirty. I mean, and 10 being at least once every 12 months. How often do you watch Optimus Prime ending speeches compilations on YouTube?
You have to.
He said it has to be a 0, and I said, you're an idiot, George. You have to. You wouldn't know style.
I'm not an idiot, I just have no taste.
George doesn't get it. He's not a transformer. Decepticon scum.
Maybe these two and then I'll cut one more.
Okay. Hi Daniel.
Hi, George.
You exhausted?
Yep.
Hey Daniel.
Hey, what?
You exhausted yet?
George, does it look like I'm exhausted?
Exhausted?
Maybe ask me, might be exhausted.
How are you going?
Fabulous.
Hey Daniel.
Yes, George.
You exhausted?
You're just...
Can you get this away from me?
I don't know what that means.
Has anyone seen the paperboard?
What? I want it to stop.
Ooh.
Like Jericho Crumble. I could show you some TikToks. The spark plugs. Anti-Cs. Ugh. Don't ask me why there's 9 holes. Wow! It's actually number 6. I think we put anti-Cs on here, eh?
Is that you're doing, like this is all spark, transformers, and all spark plugs,
You, Samuel James Witwicky.
all spark plugs,
You're looking for the Allspark.
all the spark
Do
plugs.
with the... What else? What's something real weird, George?
Oh, I can find something weird. These are the most used items in the shop.
Oh no, now I'm going to look like the Tin Can Man.
Has anyone seen Daisy? There's some daisies here, some daisies there.
In a rattle gun. Pull that balancer off, pull that off. Check that.
That's the toolbox again.
Hey.
You know what's here?
What?
I think you need a toolbox.
Yeah, you reckon? Went and racked his coffee.
Oh.
Yeah. Hey, will I ever be free? Wish I could put anti-Cs in my eye.
It'll never shut again.
Shut! Shut! Oh, shut! Open the door! Open the door! Open the door! Open the door! I'm falling over. Whack it. Tight. This little giving me.
A bit of a mischief.
Yeah. You bloody heck dog.
Oh woo.
And on his house, we've like mine's 2-bedroom at the moment. With the laundry outside. Oh. You say you have my workshop. He doesn't have a workshop.
He's got a laminator.
Damn, he must be rich. Laminator, alligator. Oh no. Really didn't enjoy putting those turbos back on. My least favourite thing to do is put twin turbos back on a GTR engine. Meh. First world problems are problems too. Don't let anybody tell you different.
Yeah, I ate too much at lunch and now I'm over full.
I'm going to see if this crossover pipe fits now. Now that I put some gaskets on there, let's see if it works. Basically on there, but it needs a little spacer plate. Wow. Oh wow. That's crazy. It looks so good. Oh. What was that? There's a frog in here. George's favourite dessert is an apple crumble. Perfect.
There we go, George. You come with me. Always wear PPE.
You wouldn't want any of it to get in your hair.
No, definitely not. Big Sandra hat.
Oh yeah.
Oh, is that a hat?
Yes, it is our new PPE.
Oh, yeah, I thought you were bringing me some stuff.
Well,
But you were just bringing me a hat.
that was it.
That's fine.
Yeah, you got to be safe.
That makes way more sense. Oh, it's an earthquake combo. I will never ever fall, never stumble. Wasn't much satisfaction.
There never is.
What do you know?
You're smiling. Good work.
I'm just doing a bit of sweeping, you know. You got to sweep before you mop, if you know what I'm saying. We got our pinky purple hue, pinky hue, purple hue, magenta. So we got it back together, or relatively back together. Took this hot side off. I think I already mentioned it to you, but took the hot side off because I had no gaskets on it, and I wanted to replace all of the copper washers in the on all the banjo bolts. So that they're all new and I don't have to worry about them leaking in the car, because if you have to get to any of this stuff when it's in the car, it's a big old pain in the ass. So do all that sort of preventative stuff while it's out of the car before it goes back in, and it's saving you a bit of a headache later on, or a potential headache. Got the intake here. This is the factory RB26 intake manifold. We pulled it off. Oh, it was already off. I lied. Masked it all up, and we've just painted it in a VHT aluminium is the colour. It's called aluminium. So covers, I think we're going to paint the covers still. We're not too sure on what colour we're going to go yet. I think we're tossing up between, so the car is a Midnight Purple 3 GTR. So we're thinking potentially colour match to the car and do them Midnight Purple 3, or potentially do them like a really nice silver, like a really nice clean silver. Put it in the comments down below if you want a Midnight Purple 3 or silver. We are undecided, so we'd probably, if one or the other has an overwhelming result, we'll probably go with that. But I think I'm going to colour match this bottom cover to the covers as well, so I'll probably leave that balancer off for a bit until the paint's done. But it's pretty much ready to go back in the car. Juddy's got it all, so we did the underbody restoration on it. Juddy did all the Raptor lining on it, and all the cradles are all out. The cradles are all repainted. Everything's Raptor lined. New BC coilovers, all that sort of really good stuff. But yeah, that's it. That's the you know, black Datsun engine, probably, I guess. That's it to your right. That's going back in pretty soon. I'm going to start working on that again. Got to clean up a few bits, put some stuff on, and then I'm going to be putting that back in the black Datsun. So that's the blown 871 LS Datsun 1200 ute. So that'll be pretty fun when that's back together. So that's probably coming next, I think. So stay tuned for that, and we'll see you later. Bye. 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 Bye.